Welcome back to No Sidewalks Given, where every step leads somewhere unforgettable. Today, we will walk through a place where silence speaks. Strength is etched in stone, and every breeze carries a story. This is Cancer Survivors Park in Greenville, South Carolina. This isn't just a park, it's a living tribute to survival, a place where pain and perseverance share the same path. As we walk beneath the canopy of trees and past some of the sculptures of remembrance, there's a quiet power in the air, as if the land itself honors every struggle, every victory, every name. Each curve of the trail feels like a heartbeat. The celebration pavilion stands like a monument to hope, while the healing garden offers a gentle reminder. Even in the shadow of the hardest battles, life continues to bloom. This part doesn't ask you to forget it. It invites you to remember, reflect, and rise. So take a breath, walk with me, and feel the strength in every step. Because here, survival isn't just celebrated, it's sacred. I did decide to walk down and get a closer look at the water. I had to make sure that I was being very careful. I did not want to fall in. So I did try to go down and get a little closer look from under the bridge to see some of the different sites. We got back on the trail and we started to head up through the park. This being our first time exploring this park entirely, it was all very new to us. Hope y'all enjoy. I hope everyone is enjoying the video so far. And if you are, leave us a like, share, comment on this video. Let us know what sort of improvements that we could do to make the video more engaging, more entertaining. So while you're watching, you feel engaged with us as we take these walks throughout our city. We're just trying to show some of the attractions, some of the things that we think make our city great, make it special to us. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, definitely subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you will enjoy this video. So as we came to the end of our trail and we did step out onto the sidewalk, we were trying to debate whether we should try to cross this busy street or maybe find another way down to the park. And we did start out down the sidewalk to see if we could find if they had another entrance into the park, but the entrance was on the other side of the street and we would have to cross the busy highway. We decided that the highway was too busy and we decided to just go ahead and head on back. And we started back down our path, and I did speed it up a little bit, so I'll pick it up once we get back into the park. As we made our way back into the main area of the park, we decided to walk around a little bit, check out some of the statues, monuments that they had built in the area. We did decide to walk on through down to the Falls Park in Greenville. And we did have to go under the Main Street Bridge to get to the Falls Park. And it's not a very long walk. It was pretty quick to get down through there, but yeah, we had to make our way down through there. After we had made our way through the Falls Park a short distance, we discovered this clearing that is behind the newly built Grand Bohemian Hotel in Greenville. And we decided to hang out there for a few minutes, see the water, check out the waterfall, and just get a little bit of footage of everything that was around it. The hotel is amazing. The view was amazing. And we just enjoyed ourselves for a little while, taking a quick break. And then we decided it was time for us to just head on back. Before it got too hot out there, we decided that we need to get on up and get back going. So yeah, we enjoyed ourselves that day. Just getting out, seeing the city, trying to share the city with everyone, hoping that people will enjoy our videos, our content that we're putting out. Yeah, let us know if you have any ideas, any places that you would like us to visit in Greenville. If you're thinking about visiting the area, maybe you're thinking about moving to the area, you just want to see some of the different places that maybe you haven't seen. Yeah, so just let us know and like, subscribe, uh, leave a comment on this channel. Let us know how our content is doing, and let us know where you might think we could improve. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.